How to set a two-factor authentication on X account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your X application from your device and get logged into your X account. From here, tap onto your profile on your top left, then expand the option that says Settings and Support. Tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Security and Account Access. Head over to Security option. Then you will see two-factor authentication. Tap on two-factor authentication. And in case you would like to turn on two-factor authentication with text messages, toggle on this option. If you would like to use app or key, toggle on the following options. Once you do that, enter your password and tap on to Next. And add your phone number, get a verification code, and that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this.